Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 and today's lecture is lecture number 34. We were doing in the last lecture exercise 5B and we did question number 12 last time. Today we are going to discuss question number 13, and question number 13 is saying that if A is equal to B whole divided by C minus B, find the value of B when A is equal to 3 and C is equal to 10. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am doing it in another way so that you can understand all the technique and tactics to understand the algebraic expression manipulation. Today we are not going to make this be first the subject. First we are putting the values inside this and then we will find the value of B. So A is given as 3. So we are putting 3 is equal to B we have to find. So we are leaving as it is. And C is equal to 10 and minus B will be written as it is given. Now from cross multiplication, from cross multiplication let us now do cross multiplication. 10 minus B is equal to B. This implies that 3 tens are 30 minus 3B is equal to B. So this means that if 30 is shifted to that side, it will become minus 30, but here I am writing minus 3B and I am shifting that B to this side. It will become minus and this will be minus 30. So this implies that minus 4B is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 will be cancelled with this and B is equal to 30 divided by 4. 30 divided by 4 mean to 7 whole 2 over 4, which is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 7 whole 1 over 2 is the answer. Now this question is saying 5n. So I am doing this question in the similar fashion as we did the previous question and improve our skills. So put m and m is 6 and then n is not given. We have to find minus 2 whole square minus and minus 3 and then 5 into minus 5. 5 into minus 5 and this 5n we have to find. So let us evaluate it and that will be 4n plus 3 and that will be minus 25 is equal to 5n. Now cross multiplication will give you 24n plus 18. 6 threes are 18 because the value of y is minus 3. So 6 threes are 18 and we will get this, we will shift this minus 25 to the other side. So 25 5s are 25 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125 with the negative symbol minus 125n. Now we are getting 24 4n plus 125n is equal to minus 18, and that will be 149n is equal to minus 18, and this implies that n is equal to minus 18 divided by 149. So now this is the answer. This is only 5, ladies and gentlemen, not minus 5, because z value is given as minus 5. So that will be minus 20, minus 5, and when minus 5, so it will be 25. This will be 25, and when 25 is brought back to the left side, so we got 49, and this will be minus 18 over 49. Okay, next question. Without wasting our time, we are doing as the question is saying that this is question number 15 at part number 1. Find a formula for the sum S. So we have to find S. What it is saying? It is saying that any three consecutive odd numbers. This is part number 1. We are saying, first let us clear the concept. We are saying that let the smallest odd number is n. The next odd number will be n plus 2. The largest odd number is then n plus 4. By giving any odd number to n, the next number will be n plus 2, and the third one be, because they told us three consecutive odd numbers. Let us, for simplicity, give this n as 1. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, and 1 plus 4, you can also write this n plus 2 plus 2. You have to add 2. So again it is n plus 4. So you can write it in this particular fashion as well, that you can write n plus 4 is equal to n plus 2 plus 2. But that is a simple one, n plus 4. So now we have to find the sum, and S is equal to n plus 2 plus n plus 4. And when we add, open it, n plus 2 plus n plus 4, which is equal to 3n plus 6, and that is the formula. For three consecutive number, if you want to find the sum of those three consecutive number, you have to find the least. For example, 15, 17, 19. So n will be 15, because we are given n is the smallest. So if you are using this formula, you will find the sum of the three consecutive odd number, not the first three. It might be 7, 9, and 11. 7 is the smallest, 11 is the middle, and 9 is the middle, and 11 is the largest. Okay, The second part here is saying that I am doing that second part here because then we have to find n plus 4. N plus 4 is equal to minus 101. How we got? Because we said the largest, the greatest odd number in the sequence is n plus 4. So here we are also saying n plus 4 is equal to, because they given us. Now n is equal to minus 101 minus 4. So n is equal to minus 105. N is equal to minus 105. And now we have to put those values in the S. So S is equal to, we found it to be 3n plus 6. So S is equal to 105, and that is negative, multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by minus 105 plus 6. So when S is multiplied with, so it will be minus 315 plus 6. So S is equal to minus 309. Minus 309 is the sum. So that was the second part of question number 15. Now we are turning to the advanced level questions, and question number 16 is saying that find a formula for the total cost of T. So we are writing T because this is the total cost, and they given us the verdict of C pence at $D. So it means C pen at $D. And we have to find the sum. So we have to write plus. And these are the dollars, remember. And the next part they are saying an e-pencil at F cents. So e-pencil with F cents, because these are in cents, the first one is in dollar. So we have to create the formula from this, and that is T is equal to CD plus EF divided by 100, and that's it. Now the second part is a bit interesting. The second part is saying that if E is equal to, if E is equal to minus 145 C divide by 4 minus C, 4 minus C, they have given us one this, and D is equal to F plus 5 divide by 50. Let us do when E is equal to 150. They given us that when E is equal to 150 and D is equal to 3, find the value of T. So first we have to take this and find the value of C, which is for this formula. And then in this formula they given us another value, we have to find the D. E and F is given. So let us do this. When E is equal to 150, we are writing 150 is equal to minus 145 C all divided by 4 minus C. Cross multiplication will give you 4 minus C is equal to 145 C with negative symbol. So this is 600 minus 150 C is equal to minus 145c. 600 is equal to minus 145c plus 150c. So 600 is equal to 5c given as 3. When d is equal to 3, so we have to find, we have to put 3 is equal to f plus 5 divided by 50. F is equal to 150 minus 5, so f is equal to 145. Now we are having all the values to find the value of t, which is our ultimate goal. Now t is equal to c value we found 120, so we have to put 120, and d value is 3, which is given to us from here, and then plus e value from here is 150 multiplied by f value we found 145, and then we will write this 100. So all the values are there, we inserted it. Let me simplify it a bit. 3 zeros are 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. So it means that it is 360. 3 multiplied by 120 is equal to 360. Yes, and then plus 53 are 150 and 52 are 100. Now I have to multiply this with this. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 13, 3 1s are 3, and 435 divided by 2. Now I have to take LCM as 2, and then I have to multiply this 360 multiplied by 2. So it means 720 plus 435. Now 720 plus 435. So it will give 1155 divided by 2. When we divide it by 2, so it will give you 577.2, and that is the total amount in the uh, dollar. It is 575 into 5 0, so that will be the total amount. Let me erase the whiteboard, and then we will turn our focus to the next question. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now let us do the final question of this, and that is question number 17. In the United States of America, a different unit is used to measure temperature. It is called the degree Fahrenheit. The formula for conversion of x degree Fahrenheit to y degree Celsius. Remember, y is Celsius and x is Fahrenheit. Remember these information. So they given us this formula. It is written in the book. Part number 1 is saying that the highest temperature in the United States of America recording in death value in California is 134 degree Fahrenheit. So when x is equal to 134 degree Fahrenheit, 134 degree Fahrenheit. So we have to put x is equal to 134 minus 32 multiplied by 5 over 9. So y is equal to 102 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. So we have to use the calculator, and that is the first we have to 102 multiplied by 5 is equal to 510 divided by 9. So 56 point is correct answer. 56.66, but we are considering it to be 56 point degree Celsius. Okay, that was the first part. Now the second part is saying that during winter in the United States of America, it is very common for the temperature to fall below 0 degrees Celsius. Remember, fall below 0 degrees Celsius. Is it more or less common for the temperature to fall below 0 degree Fahrenheit? So, let us say that when x is equal to 0, we have to put y is equal to 0 minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. So y is equal to minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9, and when we calculate it 17 with negative symbol 0.8, this is 7777, but we are taking it since 0 degree Fahrenheit, since 0 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.8. So it is less common to fall to of temperature below 0, below 0 degree Fahrenheit, because 0 Fahrenheit is much lower than 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now the final part we are doing, and that is third number part. And third number part, which is the final part of this exercise, the lowest temperature in the United States of America recorded in Prospect Creek in Alaska is minus 62.1 degrees Celsius. So let us say that when y is equal to minus 62.1, minus 62.1 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So here we have to put minus 62.1 is equal to x minus 32 into 5 over 9. First I am shifting this to this side, and then minus 62.1 divided by 9 over 5, because when this is coming to this side, we will have to take the reciprocal of this. Let us first evaluate this. 62.1 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 558.9, and divide by 5. So it means that x minus 32 is equal to 111 into 7.8 Fahrenheit. Now x is equal to 11178 plus 32. We have to add 32 with it, so it will be equal to 143.78 degree Fahrenheit. Uh, and that is absolutely the okay. This is minus, ladies and gentlemen, because this minus symbol. So when we subtract, so it will be equal to minus 79.78 degree Fahrenheit. That's it for today. Thank you very much for listening. Allah Hafiz.